Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At exactly midnight Eastern Standard Time, a nuclear missile has struck one Times Square, exactly where the New Year's ball drop ball is. This missile has caused total destruction to the city, and that millions of people that were attending the event were severely injured or killed. This missile was launched from an unknown location, but North Korea may be responsible, but this may not be confirmed at this time. As a precaution, all residents within a 500-mile radius of New York City are strongly advised to seek a fallout shelter now. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. It will only take a minute after impact for fallout to reach certain areas.
Take the following actions to protect yourself from this attack. Find an interior room in your fallout shelter, is on the lowest floor of the building, and has as few doors and windows as possible. If this is not possible, go to a basement or other center of your residence. Stay away from windows, doors, and outside walls. Seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Do not use elevators if you are in a hotel or other multi-story building. You will be trapped inside when the power goes out. Use the stairwells to find shelter instead. Place as many objects between you and the outside world as possible. Make sure you have an essential set of supplies for your shelter, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, a battery-powered or hand-crank radio, extra batteries, and other important items during your stay. If you are outside or in a vehicle, move to the nearest building or ditch, and stay there unless asked by the proper authorities. If none of these are available, lay flat in the open and cover your head with your hands to protect yourself from flying debris. It is too late to evacuate. I repeat, it is too late to evacuate. Do not leave your shelter until it is declared safe to do so by the proper authorities. If you leave your shelter, you will be exposing yourself to radioactive fallout. Tune into local media outlets for further information and more updates on this dangerous situation.